Okay, so here I am at the school gym. It's 11:55. I'm just about to get changed and get ready to do my beep test. I've got all the equipment I need, so if I turn the camera over to here, you've got my kit down here. And at the far end, there you go. You can see that I've set up the CD player with the program, and I've stopped it just at the 20 seconds before it starts mark. So I'm going to get changed and get warmed up and get this show on the road. I can feel the adrenaline pumping. Woo!
The test starts in 20 seconds. Remember that the starting speed is quite slow.
Showtime.
Faster than necessary. You only have to place 1 foot on or over the 20-meter line. The test starts in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4.
The train is riding down to the station where you lived when we were school kids. Hey, the rails are caught now, and I am falling down, fools in a spiral round this town of steel. My body tells me no, but I won't quit, 'cause I want more, 'cause I want more. My body tells me no, but I won't quit, 'cause I want more, 'cause I want more. Stop. The train is riding down to the station where I lived when I was a cool kid. Hey, is it my fault that the falling embers burn down in a spiral round your crown of things? My body tells me no, but I won't quit, 'cause I want more, 'cause I want more. My body tells me no, but I won't quit, 'cause I want more, 'cause I want more. It rides out of town.
Level 9, 10. Level 9, 11. Start level 10, 1. Level 10, 2. Level 10, 3. Level 10, 4. Level 10, 5. Level 10, 6. Level 10, 7. Level 10, 8. Level 10, 9. Level 10, 10. Level 10, 11. Start level 11, 1. Level 11, 2. Level 11, 3. Level 11, 4. Level 11, 5. Level 11, 6. Level 11, 7. Level 11, 8. Level 11, 9. Level 11, 10. Level 11, 11. Level 11, 12. Start level 12, 1. Level 12, 2. Level 12, 3. Level 12, 4. Level 12, 5. Level 12, 6. Level 12, 7. Level 12, 8. Level 12, 9. Level 12, 10. Level 12, 11. Level 12, 12. Start level 13, 1.
So now I'm back at home. I've had a chance to get something to eat, think about my beep test results. I know that the beep test is not exactly the best tool for training for a marathon or gauging the fitness of a marathoner, but I intend to use it as just another motivational tool to help me over the next 9 weeks and to give me something else to think about as I try to increase and improve my fitness, my speed, endurance, and anything else that will help me to get across the finish line in less than 3 hours.